This is the double flame attempt. Two people are gonna try to blow the shit again, and should be pretty tight. Keep your eyes open, people. Little doggy's crying for help. Oh no! No! Turn around. So much better if I could get their faces in though. Yeah! Major concentration.
No. It's the wind.
It is the wind. Holy shit.